It's easy to understand the importance of checking your engine's air filter. The filter's job is to trap all the debris and dirt coming in from the outside air that could otherwise do some pretty major damage to the insides of your engine. And if the filter gets too full, it also makes it harder for the engine to breathe. And that's going to rob you of horsepower and fuel economy. But what about your breathing? If you're like most Americans, you can spend up to an hour a day in your car, breathing in air that can be up to 10 times more polluted than the air you're breathing in your own home. That's air that contains unburned fuel vapors, carbon monoxide, tire and brake dust, just to name a few of the over 200 identified pollutants circulating through the cabin of a typical automobile. The good news is that most vehicles made since 2000 are equipped with a special filter designed to keep all that nasty stuff out of the passenger compartment. It's called the cabin air filter. Now, your service professional can help you determine whether or not your vehicle is so equipped, and if it is, the filter should be checked at least once a year or every 15,000 miles. But that's under ideal conditions. If you drive up and down a lot of dusty, dirty roads, or you like to ride around with your dogs in the car, you may want to check the filter more often. Now, the next time you take your vehicle into the shop, ask your service professional to inspect the most important filter on your car, the cabin air filter. And if it looks anything like this, ask for a replacement that's going to offer the same level of performance as the one installed at the factory, like the original equipment replacements offered by Mighty Auto Parts.